Hi, I'm Phil from Currys and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the things that you can do to make sure we install your gas cooker right first time. It's easier for us to install your appliance when your property is easily accessible. If you've ordered a large appliance, we may be bringing a large van. However, if a normal bin lorry can't access your home, please let us know ahead of time, as we may need to bring a smaller van. If you've purchased a large cooker that's more than 60 centimetres wide, normally called a range cooker, it's important that the item fits through your doorways. Therefore, a side access or double doors may come in handy if your front door isn't big enough. On the day of installation, please ensure somebody aged 18 or over is at home and check that there is a clear path to the area of installation. For all cooker types, please ensure there's a suitable clearance area above and around where the appliance is going to be installed. The clearance area shouldn't contain any flammable materials such as wallpaper, fabric, wood or shelving. Also, there shouldn't be any plugs, sockets, alarm sensors or boilers within the hot zone area, otherwise we won't be able to install the appliance. All cookers must have a ventilation setup, such as a doorway or a window that can be opened during cooking. If your ventilation route passes through a conservatory, we might not be able to install your appliance until a safer route has been created. A plug socket must be within 1.5 metres to where the appliance is going to be installed. Gas cookers must have a gas connection within 1.5 metres to where the appliance is going to be installed. The gas connection usually comes from the mains gas supply. However, if your gas is produced by LPG or a container, please let us know prior to delivery so we can send out an engineer with the specialist skills to do this. If your current appliance is not hardwired to an electrical socket, and the new one will be, we can still install it for you, but it may take some extra time. If you've asked us to recycle your old appliance, we'll do this when we install your new one. Just remember to remove any pots, pans and trays you wish to keep.